Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious chicken recipe. I'm going to make it with mushroom sauce. It's called Super Chunky Mushroom from Ragu. 1 cup. I have a chicken breast. It's 1.5 pound cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil. All these dry spices will be half teaspoon each. Garam masala, cumin powder, degi mirch, salt, black pepper, coriander powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, cilantro, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to marinate the chicken first. So I'll bring all the spices and we'll bring olive oil. Mix it well. Once all the pieces are nicely coated with all the spices, we're going to let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. We marinated our chicken for 10 minutes and we're going to mix it. We're going to get the fry pan, start gas, keep the gas on high. I'll bring the chicken, mix it well. On high gas, we're going to cook our chicken until it's fully cooked. Keep turning so it won't get burned. If you have a screen splatter, put it on and let it cook. It won't spray out. Cooking for 3 minutes. Every minute or so, I just get the fry pan and I just move around. Cooking on high gas for 5 minutes. Before I open it, I'm going to bring the gas to low. We're going to wait until it cools down, then we're going to open it. Cooking on simmer for 1 minute. Now I can open it and we're going to mix it. If we check our chicken, it's nicely cooked. The chicken breast does not take that long to cook. Within 5 minutes, it's nicely cooked. Now I'm going to bring mushroom sauce. Mix it well. Bring our gas on high. Bring our sauce to boil. Cooking for 2 minutes on a high gas. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. And we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on a medium low gas, which is number 3, for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. I'll start my fan. Mix it. Bring the last ingredient, cilantro. Mix it well. Our chicken in mushroom sauce is all ready. And I'm going to turn off the gas. We're going to get our serving platter and we're going to dish out. Looking so good. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. Our quick and easy chicken recipe with mushroom sauce is all ready. Please try it. You always can serve with roti, chapati, naan, fulka and paratha, and best of all with rice pulao. So please try it and I'm sure you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.